Good morning, friends. Welcome to Azure Talks. Today we will understand about the container apps, how we can create, and how we can actually deploy our uh, code, or maybe a sample image, how we can deploy. So here we are. So I have logged into the portal.azure.com and I have a valid subscription. Make sure that these two are the primary thing which you already have. And once you are there, go to the create containers. You can pick it from the uh, on the top. If you see, there is a create button. Create it. Now this containers is basically gives you the like you can have the containerization of the application, and you can scale on demand without requiring any managed cloud infrastructure. So basically, just unlike a VM, you need to log in and then manage it. You don't have to do that. So we have selected the subscription, and we have also selected the Azure resource group and the container name. So let's take it as Azure Talks, and it is container images. We will be bringing the container images, and it will be in the Australia East region, which is okay. And we'll say next container. Over here, if we can get started with the quick start image, or we can actually give them the proper where the registry is. And this registry I've already created it, but whether we want to use it or not, that's our wish. And then you can also look for the images, and this image is not the image videos, it is image of the application or the container which you want to use it. So we'll see the quick start image, which is a sample hello world container which we will be using here. And then the workload will be consumption, number of CPU cores. If you see, it is 0.05, and the memory it is using is 0.5 GB. Okay, so very small GI basically, very small one, but still it will work. And see how it works. We'll see this today. And this artifacts, basically the enabling of the incoming traffic is enabled, and accepting traffic from anywhere. The port is 80, which you have opened. You can also configure them based on your application need. Yeah, go for the binding. This binding, you can go and create a new binding, or you can have an add-on here like this, or we can cancel this. It is not that it is needed to work the application. And go text. Go to the next, which is tagging. I normally do tagging, so you can just say tagging department IT and project. This way you actually filter it at the cost level, and it will just quickly validate it. Once this validation is done, you should be able to create this container app. Okay, yeah, it has been passed. We'll just quickly create it. So this will take probably 30 to 40 seconds. And yeah, let's wait for that. And we can talk about the rest of the deployment. Um, yeah, so it is succeeding. It talks about the steps which it is taking. It will tell you step by step that what all deployments has been completed. Yeah, so first it is using the analytics log workspace it is creating. However, you can also set up your own existing workspace as well, but this is inbuilt, which has been taking. And so this has been created successfully, and it is rest of the deployment is still in process. It talks about the status as well. Within that, it is working well, and now it is creating the container app environment. Okay, so basically you can, it is just not the image, standard image which we are configuring. You can also move ahead with your own configuration, set up the configuration which you like. And yeah, so this is how it can be done. Okay, so we'll wait for a few more minutes and until it is getting done. Once it is done, we will try to see if it is accessible from our laptop. Now the whole idea of containerization of the application is that um, within a small resource you will be able to uh, deploy your application, okay, for maybe testing purposes, or it can be like containers are like, if you see any kitchen, I would recommend, if you see any kitchen, ladies or gents, those who work on their kitchen, normally they containerize every things, right? Like sugar in one container, salt in one container, okay, likewise tea leaf in one container, maybe some spices in one container. So they have containerized it. Whenever you need, you know which to hit. Now if let's suppose your wife is at not at home, you don't know which container is having what, okay. So underlining the point here is that these containers is independent and they serve the purpose of that particular application, okay. So these applications can work together, club together and work together for an application or give you proper services, or it can be have independent working model as well, okay. The idea behind is that within the same underlying infrastructure you can build up lot many application within by doing the containerization of the particular uh, application. So go to the resources, it has been successfully deployed. Let's see we have the URL or not. Yeah, we have the URL, application URL. We can just click it and see if that is working well or not. So here you go, you have can see that it has been deployed successfully. Your container app is running with an hello world image, and it is showing you the complete details. So hello world image is this actually, and it has been done, okay. So by this I complete my video for today. This is how you create your, how you deploy your, build and deploy your container apps. Hope you had a great learning. Keep uh, keep learning, and do like, subscribe and share this channel. Thank you very much.